video. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Before we get into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and share, and stay tuned for the rest of the video. Duh! I know y'all wondering, like, where she been? Y'all, I've been missing in action, okay? I know, I always do this. But I'm back, and as you can see, I am back with a hair review, a hair install. And guess what, y'all? I did a review on them like a year ago now, and this is, oh snap, Beauty Forever hair. So they had a sale for their anniversary, and I was like, okay. I did say I was gonna try them out again because y'all know the last wig I got from them was terrible. If you haven't seen that video, go check that video out. I'll let y'all know everything, the tea on that wig, and that wig was not hitting on nothing. So I bought a wig on their anniversary sale, and I think I only paid $80 for this. Like, y'all, they had a huge sale, different discounts. If you were in their group, they had a group thing where they sent out an email to be added to their discount group for their sale, and they had so many discounts. So I got this wig, and I was like, you know, I gotta do a review on it to get the girls the tea, and let's see, like, if it was just that wig or if it's all their wigs. So we're gonna get into this install. I forgot the details on this wig, like the inches and all that, but I'm gonna leave it down in the description box below, and also their link. If y'all want to shop, y'all can shop, you know, try it for yourself. You know, these companies send out whatever wigs they want to different people. Like, bigger influencers get better hair. So it's all about who you are and stuff like that. And also, you know, sometimes they do get bad batches of hair, but they still send it out because they still gotta make their money. But anywho, let's get into this wig install. Okay, y'all, I laid my glue down, but I'm just spraying this for extra hold, y'all, because I didn't have that much glue left. I actually need to go get a new bottle. And I washed my wig. This is not gonna be one of those long reviews like I normally do, y'all. This is gonna be something quick because this is a Tpart wig. So there's really not much to do to this wig. I mean, we gonna do what we normally do, but it ain't gonna be all that. Okay, so I sprayed that, and I'm gonna put my bands on it. I'm gonna let it air dry a little bit so that it doesn't stick to my band. You let that dry. So this is the little goodies that they gave us. They gave us a bonnet, an elastic band, some lashes, and lately they have been just giving out makeup brushes. So we got a makeup brush. The last company that I ordered from, they also gave me a makeup brush. But I am going to be using this elastic band to put around. So I'm going to come back to y'all once it's dry, and we're going to get to cutting the lace. Hey y'all, so this is the final look. I hope y'all like it. Thank you for watching. Bye.